the first vote on health care reform.
$250 billion spending bill.
It's never been something everyone said you had to pay for.
Hoping to cut the price tag of health care reform, Democrats tried to take $250 billion in Medicare payments for doctors out of the package and just add them to the deficit.
Many are saying this was a test case, and if it was, then Majority Leader Harry Reid failed.
There is a great deal of concern about how we put in place meaningful health care reform that won't increase your premiums, that won't increase your taxes, and that won't negatively impact those on Medicare.
The Senate version is 1,500 pages.
1,500 pages of it.
It's 1,502.
This thing, come on.
1,500 pages.
This is the U.S. Constitution. Right. Our entire government's based on this document. This health care bill looks like we could be healthy if we picked it up 3 times a day.
We'll have the negotiations televised on C-SPAN so that people can see who is making arguments on behalf of their constituents and who are making arguments on behalf of the drug companies or the insurance companies.
Behind closed doors, behind closed doors.
The future of your health care. You can't see it, but it's happening behind closed doors.
Dodd and Baucus and Reid are behind closed doors with Rahm Emanuel.
Behind closed doors in the Majority Leader's office.
And not far from here, very close here, there's a handful of Democrats and administration people behind closed doors that are reconciling these 2 bills.
In contrast with what President Obama had to say to us is that there would be an open and transparent process, even covered by C-SPAN.
The Obama administration ratchets up attacks against groups that oppose its policy.
A private health care provider told its elderly citizens how health care legislation might affect their lives. And now the federal government is putting its full weight into investigating that company.
My friendly advice to the president is don't start an enemies list.
He went through a list of these, including the Chamber of Commerce, the insurance companies, the Fox News.
I take it the Senator from Tennessee is suggesting that this administration is nixifying the White House.
It is starting to try to punish people who don't support the administration's policies.